sing, just sing.
At number 34, of 3 showings from the boys who sprinkled silver screen stardust over sketch comedy.
It was a perfect show for sitting in your comfy chair. That's what it was about. You sit at home after a bad day, and there they come on, and they entertain you, and I love that.
Bring me fun, bring me sunshine, bring me love.
Morecambe Wise were funny, and they were fun. They were so passionate about entertaining. You had the feeling sometimes that if it required them to cut their jugular to entertain you, they would do that.
Eric and Ernie were good dancers. I loved it. If they'd have had their way, the whole show would have been musical.
Let the stormy clouds.
The Singing in the Rain, that was my favourite one, I think.
Come on with the rain.
It just gets funnier and funnier, and then you're laughing at the fact that all you're laughing at is a man having water poured on him, and you can't believe that that simple thing is as funny as it's turning out to be.
We had to do that in one take, and you know he has to get drenched during that routine, so we couldn't go back and do it again.
I went through, folks.
Just and dancing in